Hi, if you already prepared for CAT, how long does it take to prepare for GMAT? Now, a lot of people who prepare for CAT thinking about, applying for other colleges which do take GMAT examination. Also, executive MBA does require GMAT. So in that case, the next level is to write the GMAT exam. We do have courses for GMAT, online course for GMAT, apart from course for CAT, IPMAT, and interview training. Now, normally you can prepare for GMAT within 15 days to 3 months, assuming that you prepare for CAT. So the new focus edition, you can prepare for 15 days to 3 months. In the older edition, I had students who prepared for GMAT in 1 week's time and scored a 760. Okay, and I had a 95 percentile in CAT. So 1 week was sufficient to prepare for GMAT. In the focus edition, I have a student who's 15 days scored 700 plus, has a 93 percentile in CAT. So yes, it is possible to prepare in a short duration of time. But yes, to be safe side, I would say give more time, at least a month, maybe more if possible, and make a proper plan, write a mock, and then decide when to write a GMAT exam based on what is the score you're getting and what is the score you're targeting. So if you're preparing for 15 days, my suggestion is 5 to 6 hours a day is what is required. Short-term period, rigorous preparation. Start with a mock. So you know you write a diagnostic test, understand the paper pattern, understand which areas are weak at, which areas are strong at. Okay, then identify study material and make a written plan as to how are you going to prepare in these 15 days. Once you do that, identify the focus areas. I mean, you will not focus on all areas. Maybe most of the maths areas you must be comfortable with. You may focus more on data insight because it's a complete new area. You may focus a little bit on critical reasoning because that's a comparatively new area. So focus on areas which are comparatively new and you need to practice more. Also, when you're writing a mock, you will have a fair idea of which areas are strong at, which area are weak at. Okay, then after that, first week try to complete your syllabus. Okay, first 1 week finish your syllabus, whatever you need to focus on. And the last 1 week will be the second week, which will be writing mocks. So 3 to 5 mocks during that period, and practicing the areas that you feel you need to improve. So that means you will have to give a lot of time, prepare rigorously, and make a proper plan and study material to prepare for the exam. I hope this helps. We will come up with more videos that will help you with regards to preparation. If you're interested, you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you.